Shorgarna Tuimida United Naga Council na Trade Embargo Kahai Nsamhair. Yarili Machithela MSCST Mi Kapangasang Wuivang Tribal Youth Council Manipurna Legal Pekar Mikhavai Ngaranhair. 43 Punyer BJP Midraka Primary Membership Kuchiho Chanpao Publicity Stunt Nada Manipur BJP Vice President Nahanghair. Leikyang Thor Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Rinmichon Khamsak in Apamidale. Pau Ping Mai Sai Nang Rumsa. United Naga Council na Trade Embargo Kahai Ngsam Sarajhair. Free Movement Regime Kala Border Fencing Maramli Ngasam Khavai, United Naga Council UNC, Ministry of Home Affairs Indian Shorkar Kala, Manipur Shorkarwi Jan Ngazek Haupokri Khavai, Manipur Shorkarwi Chithi Tarik Tratang Sampangda, UNC Emergency Presidential Council Meeting, EPCM Aya Daham Zamni Pama. Hangkahai Old Pingji Masarang Laka UNC Kala Stakeholders Katali Khang San Leirada, Shorkarna Tuimi Hairada Hanga. Jithada Sada Naka Pamni Trade Embargo Gahaji Kashina Wuivang Samsaragachi Presidential Council na Tuida Katana. UNC Trade Embargo Ji Aya Darik Trada Ka Ngzin Pung Turquin ang Samhaira. Trade Embargo Gahairi Kadomi Gahai Tribe Shinao Katamnao Kala Mayar Ngalalong Saikor Kala Nakami Pingli UNC na Ningashipong Shoka. Yarili Jishat Kami Maleilak MSCST li Mi Kani Kapangsang Ghai Wuivang Tribal Youth Council Manipur DYCM na Legal Pekar Mikhavai Ngaranhair. Maram Chi Wuivang Manipur High Court li case Thasang Khavai DYCM Central Headquarters na High Legal Services Committee Manipur li Legal Aid Kapo Ngahanka Mihair. Public Notice Mami Shokla Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes MSCST li Khayon Tarik Makuda Truk 2024 li Mi Khani Kapangsang Hawaji. DYCM na Legal Katom Kami Boda High Legal Services Committee Manipur na Achahon Tarik Tratang Mayami Hair. Case G Ngai Mikhavai High Court of Manipur Advocate Mudaza Ametli Kapangsang Hair. DYCM na Ngaran Hair. Rakra Hapta Hili Case G Thasang Hara Dahanga. Yarili Pongsher Kanghot Maleilak candidates nominate Kasajina Mimai Khayang Michangasa Ning Kamong Leng Sakawa. Kala China Mi Gateli Ngai Kacha Apong Makaming Sahawa that DYCM Nahanga. Mi Kapangasang process Chili Zangran Pingli Mazang Saktuda Tribal Communities Hakasang Rekasangli Sazi Yakachi Council Jinahanga. Nomination Shombong Sali Thirdam Magajithai Kala Mashun Makuena Magasajina Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes Sui Kachanga Kakhalat Swidang Sakda Tribal Communities Pingna Atumni Sazaki Kachi Policies Kala Duitak Kakwili Zangran Masampang Saktua Kachihanga. Maram Wuivang Legal Katom Kami Wuivang Tribal Youth Council Manipur Central Headquarters na High Legal Services Committee Manipur li Ningashipong Shoka. 43 Punyer BJP Mantal Kala Morcha Wimi Ngatadeidana BJP Primary Membership Juho Ghai Chanpao Ngyawaira. BJP We Membership Juho Hairagji Ngjon Miram Shang Special Invitee of BJP Manipur Pradesh Ling Soda Senior Active Members Kala Primary Member Kataizangada Chanpao Shoka. Resignation J 43 Punyer BJP Mandal President Kala Otsakruma Bing Mahila Yuva Kala Kishan Morcha's President Pingena Otsakruma Bing SD Morcha Executive Kala Both Presidents Hang Pangada Gathum Kada BJP Primary Membership Juho Hairada Kapishoka. Party we alungli Leda Khalei Angaretli Ninga Krik Khalei Pong Shokta Atumi Pekarji maleilak aina Local Gathana Pingli Khangsan Kala Inclusiveness Kavat Grassroots Leadership li Kayakha Kavat Wuivang na Gachi Hanga. Party Kala Party with Ideology Chili Atumi Loyalty Mangapat Mana Gachi Pongshokta Community Kala Manipur Miping Wuivang Commitment Kale Hangsanga. Lakhavak BJP Membership Juhoi Ragachi Chanpauji Publicity Stunt Nada BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Awong Shimari Hopingsan Nakapishoka. 43 Punyer BJP Mantal and Morcha Executives da Ngachon Miram Shang Nathan da BJP Primary Membership Resignation Kangavauji Yarili Theming Sakhawai Kasa Publicity Stunt na Atumui Dong Kawai Wuivang Party we Aming Zakshing Sakhawai Kasana da Hopingsan Nakapishoka. 43 Phungyer Assembly Constituency wuivang ngachon mi ramshangle candidate machuho ka gawi thili mi pingchi 2022 Assembly elections atam eina anti-party activities ka sali zanga gachila hoping sana hanga resignation chanpauli shoi ka sa saikorali ramfuna yausa correctna da state BJP VP china phenhaira official party candidate li magatomla ramshang kala awi mi pingna khangasunga party wuivang campaign sathathawa gachila VP china hangsanga 2022 Mayo Darik Trada Shinithang BJP Manipur Pradesh Presidently Formal Petition Misangda Anti-Party Activities Wuivang Disciplinary Action Mikhavai Poyagachila Hanga 43 Phungyer Assembly Constituency with official BJP Mandal Kala Booth Level Executives Makaila fully committed eina layada Manipur BJP Vice President Hoping Sana Hanghaira Kachwat Movaila grassroots level li otsadale Party with presence malingmeng saktale kichi hangsanga jithada sada press chanbao kushok kichi gathawi ningrine nagasana Phungyer constituency with party structure condition kala views maning manada BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President Awangshi Shimre Hoping Sana Hanghaira Prime Minister Narendra Modi Khungli welcome Samarada Maira Paipi with working group nangavaw haira Prime Minister na state we to short maramni kasangka akhon mashoklara ka hai wuivang Maira Paipi we to takchi ka khuina da hanga Boyre Lemarol Maira Paipi apun balup Khuyathong Officially General Secretary KH Apapi Lemana ka hang working committee na tuitakta ka hai athishura athum protest pamra Modi hanung haulu ka chui tuivang awawra dele Modi na gashina khawiwang ungi gachili khangahan sada ungi gachihi Manipur sabotage sakhavai khangaranla da khanghan sai Modi khungli working committee china ngawra da khalei self determination ni itumi mushunna AFSPA hi colonial ayinna divide and rule policy danglu kala itumna Modi khungli condemn saya da ngawaw kawai ngran haira Boyre Lemarol Maira Paipi apun balup kathana ping KH memjala zangda press kazip kapamni athumi phenganin phongshoka concrete action machisha dakha Prime Minister Khung manghina tushot kupsang khawai pheikarna da mukhui paimana kachi Maira Paipi minganin pingchina hanga Stately Bopilui Kham Khawai Manipur Shorkar Forest Official Pingna Chizimi Hair Shom Gasang Atam Nayuda Bopilui Vakasang Kham Khawai Chekchin Lak in a Yang Khawai Hang Hair Darik Chishathang Maram Wuivang Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Anurak Pachpaina Chizikmi Shoka B Kala Khaying Gachangwe Alungli Shermi Kharda Lake Khawai Territorial Divisional Forest Officers DFO Pingli Hang Hair Regular patrolling Miling Mikhavai, staff Chalak in a Jiho Khawai, local police li Ningshiya, drone surveillance high Khawai, DFO Pingli Hanghair. Bopilui Kathathe Ngalang da Shmit Milaka, standard operating procedures Shur Khawai, district administration, police, narcotics and affairs of porters unit, Kala, paramilitary forces li Ningshiya sa Khawai Hanga. Forest areas li Bopilui Vakasanghi, narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, NDPS Act 1985 Ven, Sanrakshan Ivam Samvarthan, Athiniam 1980 Kala, Indian Forest Act 1927 na Mamaya Managachi Hangsanga. Phaikari ecological balance nga khawai kala communities li nishariwi zakashi china chi eina ngakmida kasana da hanga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Tarik Trada Gutumthang Ungra da Khalei Mangali Churachandpur District Administration Nayarili Advisory Mida Security Kala Traffic Arrangements li Cooperate sa Kawai Hanghaira Jishat Khamya Tishuda VVIP Route SDC BSF Eina Peace Ground via Dipaimok Road li Kari Kakham Nira Tarik Trada Gutumthang Shongfu Chili Nguthorpung Trawe ina Karim ZatNgsakmara Emergency Medical Kari Pingmang Mayaraji Routine medical services being shongfung data zadra. Yari gazipli public sitting a torpong chishat in a twida, trada kaina tang da shomira. Jiwitili mazang sakli mura da hanga. Dipaimok road kala dating roadly parking restrictions, ache tarik trada kaniwe in hapokra. Restricted water, chapi, bags, bottles, kayirar, shartin, lighters, maket, maningaka gazana wot venue li masingra kawai yari li hangaira. Gala angran angye apam jili vakhavai kachichawi karye na mazadla Special Public Transport Services Mikhavai Administration na kasathair. Kuki National Army KNA kala Zomi Revolutionary Army ZRA li suspension of operation SOO agreement atam kasai kasangli Federation of Haumi FOH na makhamaya phongshokhaira. Center Shogarwi Tuitakchi Manipur Richum Napini Khangasungna Chihaira. FOH President Jadumani Sapamchana Kahang agreement ji shwai kasachi ngui gahai machukhida mayo Darik Tra 2023 li Manipur Shorkarna SOO na shokhaira. SOO group chili FOH na foreign militants na chihaira. New Delhi na state li makanda pekji kasai kasangna da Federation ji na phenhaira. Organization ji na kahang state shogarwi tuitakchi yarwi tuitakchi thaya. State we duitak yangkai kahai state we mashunli undermine kasana da FOH na hanga. Chingri kawai kasa hangna ka Manipuli SOO camps kahai state destabilize sa kawai kala integrity li sazu kawai pekarna da Federation ji na makamya pangshoka. SOO camping chi Imphal tambak lem kala Nagaland leret pamli kahai shorkarwe agenda kikala gachi ngahanda camps hai kawai mayada khaleji Tukhamai political ningrak layada Federation of Haumi na phenhaira. Militants li SOO hai kawajina danchin mukhuitula sakshiming sagrada FOH na hangmatin haira. Manipur Territorial Leret Ngachai Kawai Kasali Makhamya Manipur International Youth Center na Indian Shokarli Saklak Kahai Hangkamatin Shokhaira. Manipur with territorial boundaries Ngachai Kawai Kasa International Kala Domestic Legal Frameworks Azingli Mangi Maragachi Hanghaira. Tuihi state we leret Yakshit Kawai constitutional provisions maleilak eina Indian Constitution Article 3 invokes Saragachi Ninka Krik Leda Kashoknachi. Organization Jiwi Convener MC Medina Kahang, Unilateral Administrative Orders, Constitutional Provisions, Reinterpretation Maningaka, Non-State Actors Li Mayamida, Manipur with Territorial Kala, Political Status Ngacheng Sakhayaka, International Norms, Historical Records Kala, Post-Colonial States Ngakami Principles Li Matumakanhara. Ukrul Forest Division na Dadra Ha Kachang Wildlife Week 2025 Muyono Gidale. Mikumo Sayur Bankangurum, Human Animal Coexistence Kachitukui Azingi Achukumui Wildlife Week Chi Dadra Ha Tari Kani na Hapokta Chishat Ena Tangdam Yonra. Ukrul Divisional Forest Officer na tentative schedule Chitake Mi Atishuda Wildlife Week Kiling Sunda Ngahan Kala Angaran Ange Ngatateda Ngaran Haidale. Class 5 to 8 in a dangdawi katam naubing kala, Class 9 in a habokda 12 in a dangdawi essay kakapi ngahan kala, painting ngahan laidale. Essay kakapi kala, painting ngahan kaninichi, living with wildlife kachi tukui as in Nisara. P kachang hiwi tarik trada chikotang, Ukrul Higher Secondary School we know Ukrul down li rumira. Ukrul Forest Division azingli Datraha Dari Kutumtang poster and banner display kala loudspeaker campaign sadradale. Wildlife Week Angaran Angye Sada Pangrili camping Thankara Chili Darik Madithang Wildlife Quiz Ngahan Lera. Essay painting kala quiz ngahan li Kare Saman Luba Tinkani Kakane li Tinka Shapanga Gagtumali Tinka Mira. Dari Pangatang guided bird watching trail walks kala nature safaris forest parks eco-size etc. Gala Dari Pangatang ji ramnauping local clubs aina frontline staff sangda district level awareness program kwikara dale. State level wildlife photography competition wuivang la application ngahodale. Wild mammals of Manipur in their natural habitat kachituikui azingli nghangi kachina. State level wildlife protection incentive awards wuivang la ngahodale. Individuals, civil societies or NGOs, clubs, Gram Panchayats, JFMCs, government, officials, police kala, paramilitary forces with security personnel, media we mi higatali nominate sapaira. Ukrul Forest Division jurisdiction we azingli kachigathana wildlife khangak khavangakhui wildlife crime control higathali mathalakaina otngarut khumi kahai leyakha state level wildlife protection incentive awards wuivang nominate sapaira. State level wildlife photography competition kala state level wildlife protection incentive awards wuivang forms department with official website forest.manipurforest.gov.in likhui paira maninga kha nganai methui gji forest office li lakhui paira form G DFO Ukrul Forest Division Office li kachang hui tarik trada phanga makanrang lakha misang baira mak khli khangayat Bukhanga pa lega sang cham khui hair. Mak khwe aluni 2022 kum eina hawbokta bunga bada rai rak saji aya tuing mi sang hair. Aya tarik trada khathang mak awangshi shang aina shang khang taping ngacham khaming angran angye khui kaya. Jili Zingsho National Workers Forum na ngacham mesa da changa. Kala Zingsho leihali khalei CSO bina katomi da chingri no okthuiwa khwai ngacham mi hair gi chan pau mi shoka. Gaphanga Tangkhul Baptist Pastors and Mission Workers Fellowship kam Sports Meet makhok mikhavai ngaran hair. Angran angye ji Langdang Pungjam Baptist Church aina Langdang Pungthar Baptist Church na hosamira. Tangkhul Baptist Pastor pingaina Mission Worker pingwe Fellowship kala Sports kazip gaphanga ji bi gachang hewe tarik trada phangai na hawpokta trada shini na dangdak zipra. Gazip ji gjihan akha One Hope kachi tuikui azingni khangran saira kachi chanpao mik shok inang soda pastor kala mission worker saikorali honda khalei phong shok hair. Tangkhul Baptist kathana ping hithada fellowship khangrum heina mashit khamai leishi khamai khuira dale kachi hanga. Angran angye chili pastor kala mission worker kachi vina rangro mikhavai kala deacon la church member kachi vina katomtheilak committee kala host na salak ina khang hot satale. La luida ajui khamadaya bauping. Shorgarna tuimida United Naga Council na trade embargo kahai ngasam hair. Yarili machithela MSCST mi kapangasang wuivang Tribal Youth Council Manipur na legal phekar khui khwai ngaran hair. 43 Punyer BJP Midraka primary membership kuchiho chanpao publicity stunt na da Manipur BJP Vice President na hanghair. Achawi pawiling changhair. Pawngana da khle Nathum saikorali ringapha kalakham haya zimi shong sa seranu.